Guys, so today nag-crave ako ng picadillo. Picadillo. Some chili. Just for the aroma and it's a little bit of kick. Hi guys, welcome. I'm just not kind of feeling good today, but one thing that I know when minsan kahit hindi ko alam na I'm not really feeling good, I think Sky have a sixth sense that nararamdaman niya pag masama pakiramdam ko or anything that is gonna happen to me or something like that. And Sky is always here. Even sometimes, pag umuwi ako, so sobrang gutom ko guys, pag uwi ko ng bahay, there's a times na wala akong ganang kumain. It's just because at the same time, nagkakaroon ako ng acid reflux sa tummy ko. And I feel nauseous. So, hindi ako makakain kasi alam ko isusuka ko rin. And Sky is always like, sleep on my chest. And now, here, she's always next to me. Thank you, baby. Thank you for making us calm. Say hi. That's my baby Sky. Alam nyo guys kung kailan masama ang pakiramdam ko. Spread love, not hate. Have a good day, you guys. Rest day, sleep, eat, and sleep. Bye, baby.